All right, here we go. It's a great look at that. Oh. Oh. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, it looks like I rang the bell. Oh, whoa. Woo. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, go back up. Whoa. Wow. Woo. Whoa, that was quite the drop there. I was gonna say, this isn't quite as intense as get a kitty just the drop, but then it's like, no, never mind, it just doesn't spin. I mean, not that it's scary, but it's a little more of a thrill than I was expecting. It's good. Woo! Quite a drop there too. There you go, back up. Woo! Woo! Oh, that's a big one. Obviously, you don't get any air time because you're strapped in, but woo! Whoa! Oh, we're going back up. Woo! A little gentle at that time. Woo! Whoa, okay. That's a bigger one there. Hey, we're going back up. So bounce here. We did it! All right. Pretty awesome ride. Please remain seated. I don't really have an option here.
On the lap bar and hop off the seat and exit. Oh,
brilliant.
Don't forget to pick up your belongings before you go.
That's a good idea.
Goodbye for now.
Ta-ta.